So today I'm going to give you some of my favorite workouts to do. You can do this at home or even at the gym like I'm doing. I love to do this, especially when it's packed. And lately, it's been so packed at my gym. Of course, summer is coming, so this always happens around this time. So the first thing we're going to do is grab a mat and a pair of dumbbells. I'm lifting about 12 pounds. That is a comfortable weight for me right now. I know I need to be lifting more, but it's okay. This is manageable, okay? And everything that I'm doing is going to be 3 sets of 15. That's my go-to set number, range, whatever you want to call it. That's my go-to. Eventually, I will up everything, but for right now, that is okay. So I'm on the ground on the mat, and we're going to do some curl-ups. That's what I'm going to call this exercise. Yes, I know. I don't know any of the names of these workouts. I just know the benefit, and that's all that matters, right? And all these exercises are my go-to for upper body. I need to build my upper body strength. So literally every day I'm at the gym, I'm going to be incorporating at least 1 or 2. Even though it's not going to be an upper body day, I will still incorporate at least 1 or 2 of these movements because this is my problem area. And we need to get this tight. We need to get it tight, okay? So we're doing some mountain climbers. I think that's the name of it. And then we go straight to serving plates. If these are wrong names, please do not laugh at me. But I'm telling you, your arms are going to be on fire like mine. So now let's lay down, and anything that's involved with a bridge, I'm going to be doing it. I love doing a bridge. And that's it right here. That's the bridge. So we're going to do some of these arm exercises with the bridge. Like I said, I don't know the name, but I just love this exercise movement. And when you're lifting weights, you want to make sure you're lifting slowly. Anytime you're lifting weights, make sure you're doing it slowly. Next, we're going to do some, I believe it's called dead bugs. I believe that's the name of this. And this hurts as well. I'm telling you, this one hurts. I'm moving actually too fast. I should be moving slowly, but it's okay. I'm just showing you exactly how to do it. And when I mean, once you're done with your set, your stomach is going to be on fire. And that's what we want. That is it on my at-home workout. This is like part 3. Short, quick, straight to the point. And if you enjoy this, please like, comment, and subscribe.